This is Nawaz Sharif. Nawaz Sharif being briefed by the army. Look at the composition of that picture. When the Indian Prime Minister was speaking, ladies and gentlemen, there was no army. There was no shadow of any army on him. Here, the Prime Minister of Pakistan is not even trusted by the army to say anything beyond the script. I just once again want to direct your attention. There is the army man. There is the army man. He's a military attaché. And look at him. Look at him. There he goes, and he's talking now and directing Nawaz Sharif. This, in one picture, in a matter of 10 seconds, says it all. Who is actually in charge in Pakistan? Here revealed for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, without exception, without any ambiguity. It's there in front of your cameras. This is the proof. I hope that the director can point this out. Why doesn't he come to me in the newsroom so I can actually point this out? There you can see it. If the cameraman can pull out a little bit, those are the pictures. That's what's happening. Well, we've got a bit of an error on air. I think our director there is mucking up, but we'll just reduce that in 2 minutes. Let's just quickly pull out. Will the cameraman just pull out a little bit so I can actually point at these visuals? And we can come to me. There you can see it. Now let's just tilt down a little bit. Tilt down, tilt down. Okay, we're having a few issues. Quite clearly, we're not equipped for this right now. But basically what you're seeing on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, is the first visual evidence. The first visual evidence of how the Prime Minister of Pakistan is a string on a puppet. A string on the puppet. This is a big story. It says it all symbolically. It's the biggest story around. It's a story which suggests to you, it's a story that suggests to you that at the end of the day, you have a dispensation in Pakistan which is led, a civilian dispensation in Pakistan which is led only by the military. And that is the fundamental problem. The fundamental problem is this. So all the peaceniks out there who constantly talk about the fact that